Hey everyone, it's Alicia. It's been a while, but I'm back and I'm going to be doing an unboxing for you. My husband got me the Kim Kardashian BAE fragrance and I think it's sold out, but I know a lot of people are still waiting on their packages. I just thought it'd be fun to unbox it in front of everyone, so yeah, that's what we're going to be doing. So this is the box it comes in and let's cut into it. Not opened this at all. I'm so excited. I just thought this would be a fun video to kind of get back into the swing of things, you know. I'm in school. Ooh, okay, this is kind of nice packaging actually. So it comes in this thing like this. So it's kind of protected. That's actually really awesome because this is a fragrance and it could easily get, you know, busted open, and that would really piss me off because it's sold out. Here's how it is. And now we're going to open it. I can't even smell it. I'm so excited. Okay, I'm gonna use this to cut it open. Oh, that's really cute on the back. So this is the front where it has the Kim Kardashian fragrance, KKW fragrance, eau de toilette spray, 1 fluid ounce, 30 millimeters, Kimoji hearts is what it says. And then on the back, it says BAE. Did you see her Snapchat where she was like, I'm sending these to my enemies and everything? And then I saw Taylor Swift was on there and I was like, oh, word. I don't know. I live for the Kardashians. It's like my guilty pleasure, although I don't really feel so guilty about it. I mean, they're businesswomen and I respect that, so I kind of love them. Okay, peel the packaging off. It feels very like smooth, like the packaging feels really smooth and kind of like NARS packaging actually. And it's just like a cardboard box, or I don't know if it's cardboard, but it's just a box, but yeah. Ooh, okay. Okay, it comes in this thing. I like how it's like kind of tilted up. Like, can you see it's like this? Oh, okay. Oh my god, it's actually like pretty awesome. Let me see if I can zoom you in. So here it is. Wow, a red nozzle. Now let's spray it. Let's see how fine the spray is. Ooh. Oh, it smells so good. Ooh. Ooh, I can really smell the vanilla. So I can definitely smell vanilla with a little bit of like citrus, or is this sandal? I wonder if it has the notes on here. Okay, yes. Oh wait, no, these just, it has the ingredients on the bottom, but I'm looking for the notes of the spray. Oh, it doesn't tell you the notes, but it definitely has like a fresh scent, but a little bit musky. It's kind of a sexy scent to me, which I guess makes sense because it's BAE. Oh, this is so nice, and this is actually pretty heavy. Like, this is a nice quality bottle. It's not cheap. It's not like, I don't know if it's glass or what, but it just feels really nice. And I like that when it sits flat, it's gonna kind of be like, you can have it up a little bit, you know? So in your vanity, it'll kind of be like tilted up towards you. This is so cool. So, okay. So far, I really like it. I'm super excited, and I hope that if you guys got some of the other scents, I can see like an unboxing or a review of what you liked, because I wish I'd gotten all of them. They're so cute. I love it. Okay, well, that's all for my unboxing. So thank you to my husband for getting this for me. I love it. And yeah, I hope that this was fun for you guys to watch, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.